Welcome to Codecraftcafe, where we help businesses thrive in the digital world. Ready to supercharge your B2B social media game? Your customers and competitors are all out there. We're unveiling proven strategies to elevate your brand and drive leads. Real tactics, actionable steps, right now. Let's dive in. Look, I'm gonna level with you. Social media isn't just for B2C brands anymore. It's essential for B2B companies too. If you're not using social media, you're missing out. Over 75% of B2B buyers use social media. They're researching, comparing, and looking for recommendations. So what does this mean for you? You need to be there, bringing your A game, build relationships, showcase expertise, and create value. Be part of the conversation and understand their needs. People buy from people they trust. Be present, engaging, and provide valuable content. Ready to dive into B2B social media? Great, but don't create accounts on every platform. Be strategic. First, LinkedIn. It's essential for B2B networking and business. Be active there. Next, Twitter, for real-time updates and industry conversations. Don't discount Facebook. It's useful for brand awareness. Understand your audience and experiment with platforms. Content is king. I've been saying it for years, and it's never been more true than it is today. But it's not just about creating any old content. It's about creating high quality, valuable content that your audience actually wants to consume. So, what kind of content am I talking about? Think blog posts, infographics, videos, case studies, white papers, the works. And don't be afraid to get creative. The more engaging and informative your content, the better. Focus on educational content that addresses your audience's pain points and showcases your expertise. Remember, you're not just trying to sell them something, you're trying to help them solve their problems. And here's the kicker. Consistency is key. You can't just post once a month and expect to see results. You need to be posting regularly, whether it's daily, weekly, or bi-weekly. Create a content calendar and stick to it. Chapter 4. Leveraging LinkedIn for lead generation. Listen up, because this is important. LinkedIn is a goldmine for B2B lead generation. If you're not using it to its full potential, you're leaving money on the table. First, use LinkedIn's advanced search to find potential leads. You can target people by industry, job title, company size, and a whole bunch of other criteria. This is laser-focused targeting people. Next, join relevant groups and participate in discussions. This is a great way to network with potential customers, get your name out there, and position yourself as a thought leader. Don't forget to optimize your company page with keywords and compelling visuals. Make sure it's up to date, informative, and showcases your brand personality. Finally, be active. Share content regularly. Engage with your audience through comments and messages, and don't be afraid to reach out to people you'd like to connect with. Chapter 5. The power of visual content. Listen, people are visual creatures. We're drawn to images and videos. In fact, our brains process visual information 60,000 times faster than text. So, if you're not using visual content in your B2B social media strategy, you're missing a trick. Use infographics to present data in an easy-to-digest format. Infographics are shareable, engaging, and a great way to get your point across quickly. Videos are incredibly powerful, maybe the most powerful tool you have. Use them for product demos, webinars, behind the scenes, looks at your company, customer testimonials, the list goes on and on. And don't underestimate the power of high quality images. Use professional photos and graphics to create a cohesive brand image and make your content stand out. Cake, Chapter 6. Engaging with your audience. Posting great content is only half the battle. The other half is engaging with your audience. You need to be social on social media. Respond to comments and messages promptly. Show your audience that you're listening and that you care about what they have to say. Use polls and questions to encourage interaction. This is a great way to get feedback, start conversations, and make your audience feel like they're a part of your community. Show some personality. Don't be afraid to be yourself and let your brand's personality shine through. People want to connect with people, not faceless corporations. Measuring and analyzing performance. You can't improve what you don't measure. Tracking your social media performance is essential. Use analytics tools to monitor engagement and conversion rates. Most platforms offer built-in analytics dashboards. Pay attention to the metrics that matter most to your business. Are you trying to drive traffic to your website, generate leads? Track the metrics that will tell you if you're on the right track. Don't be afraid to experiment and adjust your strategy. Digital marketing is constantly evolving. Chapter 8. Organic reach is great, but sometimes you need a little boost. That's where targeted ads come in. Most social media platforms offer sophisticated targeting options that allow you to reach your ideal audience with laser precision. You can target people based on their demographics, interests, behaviors, and even their job titles. When creating your ads, focus on providing value and solving problems. Don't just try to sell them something, give them a reason to click on your ad. And as always, track your results carefully. Experiment with different ad formats, targeting options, and budgets to see what works best for your business. Chapter 9. Influencer marketing isn't just for B2C brands. In fact, it can be a powerful tool for B2B companies looking to build credibility and reach a wider audience. When choosing influencers to partner with, look for people who align with your brand values and have a genuine following in your industry. Don't just focus on big name influencers with millions of followers. Micro influencers, those with smaller, more engaged audiences, can be just as effective, if not more so. And remember, influencer marketing is a two-way street. Don't just expect influencers to promote your brand for free. Be prepared to offer something in return, whether it's payment, free products, or access to exclusive content. As Chapter 10. The world of social media is constantly changing, so it's important to stay ahead of the curve and be aware of the latest trends. One trend that's already having a major impact is the rise of AI and automation. From chatbots that can handle customer service inquiries to AI-powered tools that can help you personalize your content and target your ads, AI is changing the way B2B companies use social media. Another trend to watch is the growing importance of social listening. By monitoring social media conversations, you can gain valuable insights into your target audience, identify potential leads, and even get ahead of potential PR crises. The key is to be adaptable, embrace new technologies, and never stop experimenting. The future of B2B social media is bright, but only for those who are willing to evolve with it. And there you have it. effective social media strategies for B2B. By leveraging these tactics, you can enhance your brand presence, build meaningful relationships, and drive more leads. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your network, and subscribe to Codecraftcafe for more expert insights. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. For more personalized digital marketing solutions, visit us at codecraftcafe.b12sites.com. Follow us on TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Facebook for daily tips and updates. Let's take your business to the next level together.